Hey guys, welcome to High Speed Miner. Today we got some issue. Is one of graphic card or mining rig is down. Yeah, I can see I'm back over there. It's my streaming setup, and I will show you the issue we've been having it after regular intro. Alright guys, so we are back and now we're gonna see the issue I've been having it. We went on the rig motherboard. Sorry for the boring stuff. I'm using my phone and we're gonna switch to the other camera. Alright. Okay, here we are. You guys can see it. This is a Sotec motherboard. This is a regular HP power supply. I repossessed this one from another computer. It was working fine last a year with me, and probably it just completely went down. It's completely dead. What we're gonna do is we're gonna replace this one. I got this one I was using as a cheaper one. Now this one is damaged. What we're gonna do is we're gonna open it, we're gonna fix it. This is a simple fix. It's probably one of the few blow. That's normally on these cheap ones. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna replace that fuse, and then we're gonna put this back. And I'm gonna show you how I'm doing it. Gonna get my camera. I'm gonna put it how you guys seeing it, how I'm gonna do the replacement, what chip I'm gonna fix, and other stuff like that. And I'll be see you in a moment after we doing that. Okay, see you then. We got the power supply and we're gonna open this in 1 2 3. All right guys, so we got it ready opening, and I'm gonna show you something real quick so you're gonna see in it. All right, this is a problem right there for the power supply. It's a fuse blow. You guys probably asking why. Now the situation is got 220 and 110, and what happened to this power supply, it was one of the first one I got it, and I totally forget to, you guys can see it, flip the switch. So the first thing is, if you're doing the 220 and you're not flip the switch, first thing is gonna blow is that fuse. So we're gonna replace that fuse for something else. And one thing I'm gonna do is, this is only gonna be working only on this way. 220, 240, that's exactly what we got over here, and this is what we're gonna replace, and that's what we need to do. And then after that, it should be working fine. Let's check all these. This is all good. Other stuff, the transformer. Now this is a 450 watt power supply. This is a real cheap one. We only power the motherboard out of this. We don't power anything else. No graphic card, just the hard drive and the motherboard with the CPU. You guys can see the design is super cheap. Something very simple. I'm assuming the efficiency is not the great one, but we're not loading this thing more in 100 watts, so it should be very efficient to working. And then, like I said before, all my graphic card is powered by an miner power supply. That's what I use. I never have any issue with them. They work very good, and they can handle the heat, all the heat you can do in it, so they're pretty good on that part. All right guys, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna fix this, and then we're gonna see this working, and I'll see you in 1 2 3 4 5. Hey guys, like we say, we already got it fixed, everything back together, everything's work. We're gonna plug it in and test it out, and we'll see if this is work. If it's working, we'll be good to go. And we're gonna start this back into the rig. You gotta know my rig, the ensemble rig. This is the session. This is how the motherboard is putting on. That's the SD card and everything right here. And I'll show you when everything back together in a second and working. Alright guys, now the way the truth, and we're coming back. We got everything done, and we got our power supply. So it's time to turn this bad boy. Okay, so click back in there and wait for that BB. All right, so that means we are good to go, guys. And like I said, thank you for watching. I will see you into the next video. Thank you for watching, guys, and to go all the way to the other video. Well, cheap power supply fix, ready right there.